came here to manipulate energy, okay? So you are energy yourself. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. So you, once upon a time, were just consciousness or just energy. Okay, so you're personified, now you're a person. You're objectified, now you're an object. So everything here that you see, the grass, water, money, your house, clothes, cars, everything is energy. Everything. And your emotions. Your emotions are energy in motion. Everything is energy. So you came here to manipulate it. If you don't like something in your life right now, then what you do is you alter your mindset, okay? And then you allow those things of the same energy to be attracted to you. So money vibrates at a certain frequency. If you're vibrating at that same frequency, you can have it.
Yeah.